Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Zesty Taste Buds, where I love to craft dishes with the twist and squeeze of Dominican and Indian flavors. Today, I will be creating a quick weeknight meal of a oven baked Parmesan pecan crusted tilapia. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Let's start off with grating Parmesan as a binder. You can also use breadcrumbs or panko. And then I've also food processed some chili peppers just to give it a little bit of a spice. Optional to forego this step if you don't want to pack any heat in your meal. Um, but we love spices in my family and heat. Here is pecan. You can also use walnuts or any kind of nuts, to be honest. It tends to be a favorite of me and my family. I love the flavor of it. I actually like to roast it before I mix it in a blender. Salt to taste. There's really no measurement for this. Black pepper to taste as well. Ooh, there was quite a little bit of a spill there. I'm gonna mix and pour out some more. Some garlic. Of course, there's rarely a meal that I prepare that does not include garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. Basil, because I love basil in any kind of seafood preparation. It's so lovely and it pairs so well with the cilantro and the lemon that I'll be adding as well. Red hot chili flakes. This is my bottle of oregano, which my mom loves to get for me. It's in powdered form from the Dominican Republic. Some cumin, of course. I mostly always use cumin for meat preparations and pair it with oregano. It works great. Some onion powder, of course. Very savory. Let's give this a shake and whisk it really well so that all of the ingredients are incorporate nicely. All right, egg white to further bind. I'll be adding some cilantro, just chop it up. It adds a very fresh, vibrant, and citrusy flavor to your dish. It's nice and cooling. I'm going to set this aside for now and start cutting open the packaged tilapia fillets. I think I put aside about six, maybe, for my husband and I. All right, I'm going to dry it with a paper napkin and I'm going to brush it with the egg white. Make sure you get the front, the back, the sides. It's very much like painting. All right. And we are gonna dunk it into our mixture. Make sure you get it nice. You can almost tamp it down or squish it down, and then you can grab the mixture with your hands and sprinkle it throughout. We're gonna do the same thing. It's very easy. I'm gonna use gloves actually. It was getting very messy. It was sticking onto my fingers, and this is much neater. Of course, it's optional. The nuts, the pecan, are very optional to powder it finely or keep it like I have. There's some big and small pieces. I just like the crunch factor to it, so it doesn't bother me. When you're making these kinds of food preparations, it's really better to prepare your kitchen into stations where you have everything sorted out and almost into an assembly line. And it just makes cooking that much more easier and more pleasant rather than scrambling for ingredients. You can't find it, everything's a mess. All right, so we're done. And now this is how it looks. This is what's going to go into my oven, and I'm going to sprinkle the cilantro on top. All right. And let's drizzle some avocado oil. That's just my preference for cooking on a regular basis. It has a nice mild flavor and a high smoke point for frying. Okay, into the oven. In the center it goes at 400 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we'll check to see if it is done. All right, let's click start. And this is the finished product. As you can see, one of the indicators is that it has a nice golden crust up top, and there is some nice juices bubbling out. I hope you can catch it. It's great. Little pops. Okay. So I actually like to spritz on some lemon up top just to brighten it up a little bit and just a quick squeeze. I also enjoy pairing this with broccoli, mixed vegetables, rice. You can see a little piece there flaked off very easily, which means it pulled apart or away from the fish without much of a struggle. It's very soft, and that's one of the indicators that it's ready. Some salt and pepper for the broccoli. Always refer to your own food and safety guidelines, but for fish, for tilapia in particular, it should be 145 degrees, the internal temperature, to make it safe for consumption. But it may vary depending on different poultry, meats, or seafood. Let me take a quick bite, and as we like to say, buen provecho y al ataque. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more of this content of easy, quick, delicious, and healthy meals that you can enjoy with your family. I would also love to hear your thoughts on if you tried this dish. Was it appetizing? Was it delicious? Did it turn out okay? Or did you try a new spin to it? Um, I'm all about exploration and I would love to have you comment on it. Thank you and bye.